Painting is often regarded as the most cost-effective way to update the look of your home. But with conventional painting methods, some surfaces can't be coated properly or even at all. Replacement is an alternative, but just because something looks dated doesn't mean it needs to be entirely replaced. Plus, this process can take way too long or wind up being more expensive than you planned for. At SprayNet, we formulated a proprietary line of fully customized coatings, resulting in a like-new, durable factory finish. We offer the convenience and affordability of painting with the benefits of replacement, the best of both worlds. We can renew stucco, brick, aluminum and vinyl siding, doors and windows, and even kitchen cabinets. Wondering how we do it? With a combination of customized proprietary chemistry, specialized equipment, and our patented weather-adjustable paint system. This is how we can back our transformations with a 15-year, no-peel warranty. Fall in love with your home again without breaking the bank. SprayNet, the smarter way to modernize your home.